we're going parasite hunting, yeah. Sometimes you find some here or not, I don't know. Oh no, I found one, ow, ow, it hurts, it hurts, oh. Hey bud, what's it going here? What's going on today, bro? Why are you so quiet? We boss. We boss. We move. What happened? And this is from my pocket. Let me heal myself. God, what happened? Oh, I forgot I was parasite hunting. Let me just flip this. Let me flip it. Flip, alright. Alrighty. Oh my god. What just happened? Oh my god. So scared. Wait, I remember that parasite hunting. Wait, what? But let's continue. Oh, don't worry about my broken toe right here. It's kinda broken. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. I might have to get it fixed. Just. Okay, I'm done. And where is the parasites? I think something's behind me. Uh-oh. My boss Arthur. Who's your boss? Tell me. I must not tell you. What's my boss name? You're pretty good at jumping. Get this gun. Why doesn't it not work? Alright, I just killed him. But what is his boss? Don't you see me? That's why he's so loyal to his boss. He would be dead. Nah, I'd still win.